Hey, welcome to another beautiful video. What do we have today? This beautiful small device right here. It is a flashlight, a regular AM, FM radio, weather radio, solar charging for the internal radio, for the flash, for the backup, crank charging as well. As you see right here, you pull the crank out. I'm not sure if you can see that tiny low light. It actually goes blinking when you are charging it with a crank. Why is this radio so beautiful? And right here has an 18650 battery that's rechargeable. But let's say you don't want to use it or it's out. Emergency, it has you covered. Three AAA low batteries you can put right there and use the radio and or this device to charge your phone. How do you charge your phone from it? Well, on the side right here, we have a USB output, as you see it, a USB input, micro USB, which is to charge the radio if you want from the wall, and an auxiliary input, as well as a Bluetooth that it has built in. How does it work? Well, before we forget that part, has an SOS as well. And as you hear it, it's pretty loud. Not to forget this radio as well, or this contraption, this device, actually is water resistant. It is water resistant. And the flashlight is pretty bright. It is pretty bright. I mean, I have studio lights on, and this flashlight, look at it. It does the job perfectly. This radio is the best budget radio slash backup slash SOS slash flashlight that you can buy for under 40 bucks. This one is not branded. It has no brand name on it anywhere. Even when you open the battery compartment, there is no brand name on it. I will try to find the link. I know I've seen them in Amazon before for sale. This one was sent to me, not sponsored. It is not sponsored. We're just reviewing it and showing it to people that might need it for camping. You might need it for a backup at home when the weather goes AWOL and the weather wants to party too much and the lights go out. You have this little beauty right here. Let's test what everybody wants to know about it. Charging capabilities. Well, in this case, we're gonna try to show you that it charges itself too. Let's begin with that part. I have it connected here, as you see on the wall, and if you can look at the light right there, it's blinking that it's charging the radio itself. Let's take that out. Let's take the USB itself out, and let's connect as a charger mode now. So as a charger mode, let's plug in our handy phone right here that I keep showing all the time because it's a cheap phone, so I can just make stuff with it. And as you see, it started charging. The phone is nasty, dirty. Yeah, it's okay. Give me a thumbs down for that. But it's charging. That's what I'm here for. If it charges, it's good with me. That's all that matters. I'll wait for it. As you see, it's showing. The phone's 98% because I obviously didn't use it since the other video. Well, you say, but I have a tablet. Well, I have a tablet too. What you gonna do about it? Well, let's compare tablet. Who's bigger? Mean better? Mean more capacity? Which one charges? That's what I mean. You guys, what you make me say? Here we go. Tablet. Charging mode. Can it charge the tablet? It's not actually nasty. I don't know why the camera is making it nasty. Well, a quick wipe against your shirt makes a tablet look brand new. Even Best Buy will actually be jealous of you if you wipe it in your shirt. Look, semi new. Now we plug a USB-C. This one takes a USB-C if the camera helps us see it. It has a higher capacity than a phone. Well, let's see if it charges. Yes, on the bottom right there, it says charging 18%. And if we go inside the tablet, at the corner right there, which the camera will not focus when I need it. 18% and charging. Well, let's put these aside. They work. They work. And this radio, believe me, it is loud. Right now, let's turn the radio on. Let's see what the radio has to say about it. We are on line in. We don't have any line connected, obviously, and I'm not going to, because that's not really the primary purpose. Anybody's going to buy this radio anytime soon. We go to the FM radio. At this point, it may not get any beautiful stations. I have no idea if it even gets in this room, because I have too many gadgets, and you can kind of hear it. You get the point. Well, I cannot play that because of YouTube law. Okay. AM radio, obviously. And you have the weather radio. Right now, may not be broadcasting. I don't know how to put the numbers here for the area here, but somebody might know this part better. How to input what area you're at to get the weather for where you are. I think, if I'm not wrong, this radio actually can be put in auto mode to get the weather where you are. So that works. And the FM, for example, well, we're not monetized anywhere, so I'm just gonna blast it to show you that it is loud. Yeah, I don't want to lose my channel tonight either. So, the radio works just perfect for under 40 bucks. A radio that you can blast and annoy anybody around you, and you can blast the flashlight and scare anybody around you, or prevent yourself from tripping and falling. And when all else fails, there is no sun. Let's say the solar here, you can't charge it because there's no sun. It hasn't been sunny for a few days. And let's say you are nowhere near a gas station to buy some $4 batteries or $3, whatever they cost, right? And the main battery has gone to zero, the big rechargeable battery. Well, the handy, beautiful cranky comes in here, and you do this for days and days and days and days, and you can charge, you can do whatever you want because the radio works just like a charm. A beautiful charm. Under 40 bucks. If I find links where to find it for you even cheaper than that, I will do so in the description under this video. And I have nothing else to say about this radio. It's just beautiful and it works all around. If you have any better radio backup battery or backup device that you use for camping, use for bad weather at home, or you are aware about it, please let me know. For right now, I may not jump and buy it if it's too expensive, but I'll consider it. When you see ads on these videos, maybe I'll jump and buy suggestions. But for now, I'm extremely thankful for your time stopping by at my channel, watching this video. If you give it a like, subscribe, thumbs up, down, whatever you want, or share it with someone, would be whoa. That's not gonna happen. Let me take it all a bit closer and talk reality here. Thank you for watching. That's all I can do for now. And we'll see you on the next one. Let's hope we can review some cool gadgets again. I love doing this one. Bye!